Hey guys, I was at Costco today. Looks like a pretty interesting find today. There's a Kasa smart Wi-Fi light switch and dimmer on sale at Costco for $80. I'm sure they sell similar ones online, and I'll leave a link below. But this one's pretty interesting because you could basically make your home lighting fixture already, smart, you might say. So it works with Alexa, Google Assistant, as well as Microsoft Cortana, basically with their app. So what this does is basically replace your normal light switch and dimmer with this so that you can actually program it to have it work with, say, Alexa, turn on this or that, and it will work with it. It also has the traditional dimming buttons on top as well as regular light switch on the bottom, but you can control from anywhere as well as do brightness control and scheduling, as well as have voice control when you have it with Alexa and also Google Home, which is pretty neat. It's just a simple way to make things intelligent in your home, and controllable from anywhere, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, I figured I'd let you guys know first. But of course, it does require a neutral wire connection and also dimmable LEDs and incandescent lighting for your current lighting for this to work. So anyways, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds, and see you next time. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Bye.